Stop! Are you making this mistake every single day? Most people think learning English is about memorizing words or grammar rules. But here's the truth. It's not about memorization. It's about speaking first, thinking later. When you speak without fear, your brain adapts faster than any book can teach you. I know it sounds weird, but it works. Start with one sentence a day. Just one. Repeat it. Speak it out loud. Don't worry if it's wrong. After 7 days, you'll notice your confidence skyrocketing. After 30 days, people will actually notice your English improved. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Your English grows when you take action, not when you memorize rules. Start now, and thank yourself later.